Hey everyone, this is Brad on Brad's Food Review. There's something, yeah. Uh, Dairy Queen has a blizzard of the month called Peanut Butter Puppy Chow Blizzard. It has some puppy chow, some chocolate chunks, and some peanut butter with it. And it's not dog food either, it's puppy food. Like one of those Chex Mix or something like that. So it melted a little bit, but I just want to give that a shot and see how good this is. Try that other one. Yeah, the puppy chow had no taste to it. Added to the ice cream. The chocolate chunks is just chocolate chunks. I don't see anything that tastes chocolatey. The only taste of it is just peanut butter. But when it comes to puppy chow, there's not it's out of the question, but it's not tasteful. Taste of it, okay, but I would not get it again. I'm going to rate this blizzard a 5. Even if I got a small one, I just tried it and it didn't work out that way. The puppy chow didn't have a good enough taste to it. But I would not get this again. So I say 5, and that's all I'm going to say. So thanks a lot for watching this video. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Well, thanks for watching this video on my channel. If you liked the video, give me a like or yeah, comment on this video or any other videos I posted, and subscribe to my channel. And it certainly helps me get the views that I'm looking for and do all that good stuff that I send you. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. All right, bye bye. Da 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 da.